Hello, welcome to Watson's Models from Nashville, Tennessee. Yes, I'm still here helping my daughter with her recovery from surgery. And so now she's visiting a friend. Thank goodness she's able to get out of the house. But it's raining out, it's nighttime, it's kind of crusty, and I figured I may as well do an open box video on a Dumas kit. Now, the only reason why I bought this kit is because, well, I've always wanted it. I've been wanting that model for a long time, but I couldn't afford it, you know, back in the day. But then I found out that Dumas is they're shutting the doors, man. They're closing up their business. They've been cranking these things out for over 75 years. And I actually have a USS Crockett at home, big boat that my friend Henry gave me that he started back in the 70s. And I really need to get my butt in gear to work on that too. I have so many kits to deal with. I mean, buying kits is fun too, right? All right, so anyhow, I'm gonna do an open box, and this is the PT-109, right? There's the box. It's a decent sized box. And Model Expo, let me hide all this information. Model Expo, you know, was putting some of the Dumas stuff on sale, although I think maybe it really wasn't on sale, it just made it feel that way. But I didn't want to miss out on getting this particular kit because I wanted it, and they're not going to make them anymore. I think May 15th-ish is when they're done. They're done, and they're working on, you know, shipping out everything they have that people have ordered right now, and that's it. So whatever's floating around out there is what's available. Okay, so let me open this. I'm pretty excited about it, and I haven't done it yet, so because I wanted to wait. Dumas. Anyways, my time here in Nashville is almost coming to an end, and hopefully by the time like the 8th of May, I should be on my way back home. All right. Paper. Oh yeah, that's cool. There it is. Check it. A little glare there, but that's cool, man. This kit is 33 inches long when complete, and I'm sure it's fully suitable for remote control. It's a 1/30th scale approximate. Let's see, kit features plywood frames, PVC bottom planking, over 50 cast metal fitting parts, over 40 pages of instructions and drawings including high-speed electric motor installation. For radio control, you will need the additional following items: a 2-channel radio, electric motor, battery charger, speed control, Dumas running hardware kit number 2362. So I guess if I was ever trying to do that, I should probably see if that kit's even still available. All right, let's not sure exactly how this opens up. Okay, there's a long strip of tape on the back here in the corner. So let's open it up. I'm blind as hell. All right, let me turn the camera around. All right, so here we are. Let you see the kit number. All right. That's what the finished model is supposed to look like. Modeling skills helpful. I wonder if Dumas made a PBR. I'll have to look. All right, let's open the box. piece of PVC pipe. All right, what do we got here? We got some clear material. Some blow molded looking stuff. All right, this is all plastic material. Same thing here. A whole lot of pieces parts. My friend Eric Jimenez is a very, very good shipbuilder, and he's made some awesome radio controlled stuff. You can find him on Facebook, and I believe his handle is Kilroy. All right, so let's look at some of this stuff here. Nice cross section there. Now, it's gonna be a big boat, man. I mean, it's the size of my hand. Anyhow, as you would expect, lots of laser cut parts. Or who knows, maybe they got like, maybe there's something that presses them, I don't know. You should smell the lumber. Thing smells like a new house. I don't know if you can hear the sirens going off. Nice soft balsa wood here. Same thing there. Got some wooden dowels, like some brass rod. A lot of pieces here, a lot of pieces, parts. I'm sorry, I don't have my usual setup, so camera movements are kind of jacked up. That's all PVC type material, all pre-cut. Oh, we got to unfold this so we can see how big it is. Instruction manual. Nice big, thick instruction manual. I'm sure some of you guys have already built this thing. Oh, there's some decals. 109. Very nice. All right, well, you know. A lot going on here. Let me open up the those dudes. I had to go wide angle and put my hand here just to give you an idea how big this boat is going to be. And it's massive. That is so cool. It's the kind of stuff dreams are made of. 2 of 4, 3 of 4. Wow. and 404. That is so cool. Anyways, yeah, there you go. This thing's ginormous. Dumas. Go get you one. Yeah. All right, enough of that nonsense. Decals. All right, then. I wonder if there's anything else in the instructions here. History, introduction, tools needed, building the frame, planking instructions. Yeah. Reading is helpful. If you didn't pass that part in school, then just hang it up, man. But it looks like the images are pretty straightforward on assembly. So that's it. I'm not going to go through the instruction booklet. You can imagine what it's like, but it's cool. Now it's in my possession and part of my inventory. So have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching. Quick, down and dirty, whatever. See ya.